Welcome back to Hold and Built. On today's agenda, we got to make some brackets for the Volkswagen headlights and sort of front core support and bumper support. And then we got to get it inspected. And we might dive into Mustard, my 74 Datsun B210. Wag! Shirt say? Need to make a bracket that goes from here to here and also catches this one hole right there, just so it can come up a tad bit to make that lens just holy smokes, dude. I wonder why it's getting a little draft up there. Yeah, there's gonna be another hole that goes right there to retain this welcome back to Das Auto. Just gonna go up behind here to put a riv nut in that one, so I can definitely a lot better than what it was. Super stoked. And if you don't have like a riv nut thing, this has been like the best, cleanest investment ever. Hose brackets in the body, some riv nuts, and then it has all the like the keys and dies for the actual thing. But make sure that's all screwed all the way in. Then you just squeeze down. Get better lighting. Yeah, there we go. Nice. That's just doing fine. All right, it's looking pretty darn good. Now, don't listen, I just need to get that metal patch painted at least, and we'll go from there with paint matching, but at least it's somewhat uniform to where it doesn't like just look like crap. But but check this out. Little metal bracket right there for the headlight. Even got that weather trim to fit back on there. That ain't bad. It ain't. I'm not pleased with that, but to do with it. Okay. It's decent. That's gonna wrap up the Volkswagen for this video. But yeah, it needs to get inspected. Safety, emissions, just for the yearly thing before I take it back out on the road. It's done for that video. I'm gonna hop on Mustard over here, sitting for again 3 weeks. Clutch slave cylinder just freaking blew apart. So, and I also have new 7-inch round, I think they're 7-inch halogen lights for that, because those ones are getting really dim. I think those are like the factory ones, so they're about 50 years old. Line wrenches are your savior. Okay, Volkswagen's getting inspected. Yeah, time to take this crusty slave cylinder off here. Whew, man, I can't breathe this way. So the only thing I lost while on my venture in my B210 when the clutch went out was the little acorn nut that goes on the end of the push rod that pushes the clutch fork. It's like snugly, just fits snugly right in there. It's basically, you know, just two cheap nuts. That's what they used to call me in high school, two cheap. Welded them together. Yes, that looks like crap, but that's also crappy metal, so it's gonna have lots of contaminants in it. I'm just gonna make it in the shape of an acorn so that it can just fit in there perfectly. Made sure that's barely engaging. There's still a little bit of wiggle room in that clutch fork to the slave cylinder drive. Air bubbles means good. Ooh. Running into a problem here. Yeah, the master cylinder now is acting up, and it's not even feeling like there's a piston in there anymore. So still not pumping or having any pedal feel. So for the $15, $20 I'm gonna spend on a new master cylinder, I'm just gonna go do that instead of wasting any more time on this. I don't know why this seems to always be a doubt on me now. I think the piston's just completely frozen in there, or something is be crap. So I'm gonna get that on order, and this is probably gonna conclude today's video. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe. For all who have commented on you know, great work, all that sort of thing, I appreciate you. That's good motivation for me to keep on doing this about every Monday, Sunday. Again, make sure you go follow me on Instagram for everyday things for me at Isaiah Holden 3. It's and you'll see like reels. It's a break from the norm, day-to-day life on what I do. And it gives me patience to do this thing, so that sort of thing. Yeah, thank you guys. We'll see ya again.